today on 15 on 15.
The addition of these automated passport kiosks will ensure security and perhaps an even more efficient U.S. Customs and Immigration's Border Patrol. Plus, drivers being pulled over by cops in Michigan didn't get a ticket, but they got something else instead. Also, Aruba is adopting a U.S. tradition with the Nutcracker Ballet Show. Thanks for joining us. I'm Yentl Lieuw. Aruba's U.S. Customs at the airport just got more efficient with the same amount of officers working. Automated passport kiosks has been incorporated in the customs operations, allowing travelers to proceed through immigration quicker, potentially decreasing the lines. The U.S. departures at Reina Beatrix Airport added automated passport machines to make passengers' experience a more pleasant one. U.S. Customs and Immigrations is now more technologically advanced. Jim Fazio, the director of Aruba Airport Authority, provides details on the system.
Well, it's a kiosk where passengers who are now heading for U.S.-bound destinations, instead of doing their entire process at an inspector, they could do the administrative piece of that and also the check back with the criminal check and the entry check back with the U.S. Customs database on a kiosk and not actually have to see an officer.
The Minister of Tourism, Anwar Odeberg, personally tested out the machines. The automated system allows a higher volume of travelers to pass through customs securely and in a more timely fashion. No added manpower was required for this new implementation.
Many of the questions on the blue and white customs declaration form are the things that you would fill out or answer on the kiosk. And so the fact that that administrative piece is being done at a kiosk no longer needs to be done at an inspector, we can now move more and more passengers through with the same number of inspectors that we have. So for us, it's very exciting. Without having to add any floor space, add any inspectors, add any extra lanes, we can nearly double the passenger capacity of our CBP area. And that's pretty exciting.
With this project executed before the end of the year, the airport has further plans to update, improve, and invest on the facility for 2015.
We're going to continue to streamline the passenger experience here. We are very keen on putting a new baggage system in. We believe having this second baggage check is quite cumbersome, and it doesn't make for a very good passenger experience. So we're keen on doing that. By doing that, we also eliminate the second security check, so that streamlines the process. So what we're hoping is one security check, one border check, and you're on your airplane, and ultimately that's where we like to go.
I'm in support of anything that increases the chances of shorter lines. A growing sport on the island is attracting the attention of tourism stakeholders, along with others within the private sector, due to it benefiting the area of sport tourism. Next year, Aruba's International Beach Tennis Tournament will officially be named the Aruba Open. Sponsors from this year's event were satisfied, including Aruba Tourism Authority. From now on, the island's name will be in the title, which in the long run, organizers believe is necessary.
Yes, they were very happy, because the exposure was great and everything went well, and so it was all a positive experience, so that reflects on the sponsors. So the sponsors are definitely happy. And next year it will be no longer the DV Open, it will be the Aruba Open. So that announcement I can already make. It's Aruba who will be the main sponsor for the coming editions. And it's ATA, exactly. DV already knows that. So DV will step down and ATA will be the title sponsor for probably now in the coming years. It will be officially the Aruba Beach Tennis Open.
The potential for Aruba's players in the future succeeding in the sport looks great.
How did we do? At the kids, we did good. The kids this year did really well. The local kids won almost all the prizes. Yeah, and only under 16 we had two Venezuelan and an Italian couple. All the other age brackets, Aruba won. So for the future, we're on.
Since it will be called the Aruba Open, adult players need to step up to the plate. As for this year, Aruba did not represent in the tournament.
And for the rest, the level around is very high, but we didn't have that many success this year at the local trophies, gold medals. So maybe next year better, yeah.
It is great to see increased potential in Aruba's sport tourism. Stay with us, we've got this coming up. take a look at the good deeds police officers are doing in the spirit of the holidays. Thanks for staying tuned to 15 on 15. Whenever you hear those sirens of a police car right behind your vehicle, you are probably thinking, oh no, what did I do wrong now? But in the spirit of the holiday season in the town of Michigan, you would be lucky to be pulled over by the cops. Here's why.
Most of the contact police officers have with the general public is on a traffic stop. And you can find out a lot about that person in that 10 to 15 minute window, whether they're having a good day, a bad day, or a horrible day. And then we got this idea, what if we could change that person's day in real time? What if we could change that person's day right now?
Got all your Christmas shopping done?
No, I haven't even started. Yeah, she wants like Lego Friends. I don't know if you ever heard of those.
Oh yeah, my daughter loves Lego Friends. They're great.
Lego what? Friends? Daughter wants Lego Friends? Okay. Got it.
Go.
We got 3.
Any other kids or just the one?
I got another one. Yeah, I got a son.
What does he want?
He's only 5.
Yeah.
So he has all these things that he wants that are unrealistic.
Like?
I'm not gonna be able to get.
Like what?
Like this electric scooter.
Something like this?
Oh my God. Yeah.
Alrighty, well, you want to open up the back seat of your trunk?
Was I really getting pulled over?
Yeah, you got pulled over. You got illegal tinted windows.
Oh my God, she just put that on her list.
And
We
the
just went through and did the list.
and the high school.
Oh my God.
Pretty
No
awesome.
way. Oh my God, can I hug you? Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
So am I getting it? I'm not getting a ticket, right?
I can give you one if you want.
No,
Yeah, if you open it, right? What? Have you tried those?
No.
Will those maybe fit?
Exactly what I was hoping for when I said that.
This is
What the heck?
insane.
You can have that.
Thank you.
And there's some there for you too, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Oh my God, you're kidding me. Oh, I want to hug you. That is so great. Thank you.
Some your little boy might like.
This just turned my bad day into a good one.
What?
Yeah.
Are you joking?
No, it just fell off the back of a truck. You know, you didn't see the guy in the red sleigh? Sorry, the wrap job isn't perfect, you know. It's a little windy out. Huh? Well, we got radios and sleighs and magic elves and stuff. The Xbox One.
Yeah.
That's what your kids want.
Yeah.
That's the go-to present for your kid.
Yeah, but it's all that they're not gonna have it.
Go. Let's go.
See the car. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my God. The kids gonna love this.
How about you?
Huh? I'm looking at maybe a new TV.
We were talking about that for the room for our bedroom because goofball here knocked our LCD over.
Oh yeah?
And it cracked the entire thing.
So you need a new TV, huh?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Something like this?
Yeah, something's very similar to that.
Alrighty, we'll open up your door, boss.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Huh? Merry Christmas. You're welcome. Merry Christmas.
Man, that sure is nice of you. I mean, I've been pulled over by police officers before, and they've always been good to me, but never this good.
The public and private sector all over the world seems to be becoming more clever during the holiday season to give. Let's take a very quick break. This is what's coming up next. Ballet is an art form. Learn more about it next. A holiday tradition in the U.S. is being brought to the island. Actually, we've been celebrating it for quite a few years now. Many families and friends gather during this season to go see the Nutcracker in North America. Now you can too. These little ballerinas in their white tutus have been rehearsing since August for the Nutcracker show set to take place this weekend. For For the past several years, the production put on by the Kozlovs always incorporated international dancers to the show, but this weekend's performances are unique.
This is our, I think, 8th year doing the Nutcracker, but this year is super special because it's the first time that we have an all-Aruban cast. So all of the dancers are 100% students from our academy here in Aruba, which we started a year and a couple months ago. So we're so excited that all the leading parts, every part will be danced by Aruban kids and teenagers and some adults.
The Nutcracker show will have students as young as 6 years old, like this precious talented dancer. Teens and adults are also part of the production. Leonid Kozlov, an internationally recognized ballet dancer and instructor, says Aruba has plenty of potential in this art form.
I tell you, this is my 20 years coming to Aruba, 20. So I discovered actually a combination of blood here, extremely good for dance. And you could see how they dance. A beautiful body, they feel the rhythm very well, they're very exciting, the faces is alive, so it's a win-win situation. They definitely are born to dance very well.
Stage fright? What's that? These girls are ready and looking forward to performing this weekend at the Nutcracker show. They have been working hard and can't wait to show it off.
Well, I'm really excited for the Nutcracker show, and for me, I think I've been training hard because I train at home a lot, and I train here, and I think I'm getting the hang of it. I've been practicing really hard, especially on my solo, and I'm really excited for the Nutcracker. I hope that almost full Aruba can come to see the Nutcracker show.
Adriana Kozlov says when they started the dance studio, they had their doubts in engaging the students to be dedicated to ballet. But judging from the girls' interest in the art form, they know they have nothing to worry about.
Well, actually, when we moved here, people said, oh, you're never going to get the kids to commit to come every Saturday and be on time. And surprisingly enough, I would say we're pretty successful. We have the kids attending, they're super enthusiastic, and I think that's a big part of the commitment, is that when the kids want to do this, want to be here, want to learn, want to perform, that then they're being committed and, forcing their parents to drive them here and everything.
The Nutcracker shows are scheduled for this Saturday at 7 p.m. and Sunday at 4 p.m. at the Casa Cultura. Tickets can be purchased at Van Dorp, Bright Bakery, or at the Kozlov Dance Academy itself. I had such a good time interviewing the girls that I will share more knowledge and interest of ballet from the instructors and students on the next edition of 15 on 15. We'll see you then.